Assalamu alaikum guys, how you guys doing today? Here we have Scorpio X and welcome to the second tutorial of staff spinning. So let's get to it. So today we are going to be learning two techniques, the 270 degree double loop and then the 450 degree double loop. Now the 270 degree double rotation is a bit simple and a lot of people already know about it. So start by holding the stick in front of you while keeping your other hand behind your back so that it doesn't interfere with your movement. Now move your stick towards the right and then do a 180 degree clockwise rotation and then move your stick towards the other, start moving your stick towards the other side while completing the 270 degree rotation. And then again the same step on the other side, 180 degree rotation, start moving it towards the other side while completing the 270 degree rotation, and then again same step over and over again. Start off slowly and then when you're feeling comfortable with the movement, start increasing your speed. Now the 450 degree double rotation is a bit similar to the 270 degree double rotation, but in this case you move the stick anti-clockwise. So you start off by standing in the side stance because it makes it a lot easier to move. Now you start off by holding the stick behind your back, complete a 270 degree rotation, but this time anti-clockwise, and same technique, 180 degree rotation, and start moving the stick towards the other side while completing the 270 degree rotation. Now complete a 360 degree rotation, and then again while completing the 450 degree, start moving the stick towards the other side. Again 360, move the stick towards the other side while completing the 450 degree, and then again. This one for some reason it looks a lot cooler than the 270 degree rotation. And then again, it's better to place your hands towards your back, behind your back, and then you start feeling comfortable, increase the speed. And now to stop the stick, complete the rotation, and when your hand comes towards the back, complete a 270 degree rotation and then bring the stick underneath your armpit and then grab it. It's easy. Just like this. 450 degree double loop and then grab it. Now the 450 degree double rotation is a bit harder than the 270 degree double rotation. But as a wise man once said, it's all about practice, because practice makes perfect. And once you've mastered it, you can do the double 450 degree double loop with two sticks. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any new tutorials or see me make new weapons. And why not give this video a thumbs up? And I'll be seeing you guys next time.